Hello guys, so today we are going to start the introduction to surface modeling. Before moving forward, just let me show you that how we are going to introduce this whole stuff into surfacing. So for that purpose we are just going for menu that is here, so just click on that, go for like preference section, and here we will just go for the modeling part. So just click on that. Here you can see that it will be showing as a solid, and now we are having as a sheet. So there are two basically types will be going to be provided here. Just now because we are going to work on the sheet here, so we are just going to click on the sheet part. Okay, so click on that and just make them as a okay for now. Right, before moving forward, just let me tell you about like what actually it is. So surface are three-dimensional body with negligible small thickness. Okay, they are used extensively for modeling complex features, right? So a model or an assembly created using this surface body type has surface area but no volumes or mass properties. So just observe this thing carefully. Like whenever we are going to work for like a solid or for the surface stuffs, there we are having surface area, right? But no volume or any mass property will be going to be observed there. In annex, surfaces are created in the form of single or multiple patches. Here patches indicate the multiple pieces that will help us to get like a much more clear or surface we are able to create it. With the increase in patches, the control over the shape of the surface is also going to be increases. That's what the thing that I want to say here. In annex, surfaces are known as sheets and surface modeling is known as sheet modeling, right? Apart from this, here I am having one few things related to like we are having as a part of surface modeling. So most of the real world problems or like things are created using the solid model techniques. Only models that are complex in shapes and have a uniform surface area are created with the help of surface modeling techniques. The tools that are used to create surface models can also be used to create surface models. Okay, sorry. So the thing is like the tools that, even though if you observe that we have used like extrude command or like some other command as well, right? So that will be like the command that we have used for the solid modeling is also going to be used for the surface modeling also. Okay, so you need to create the surface model in the Shape Studio environment or modeling environment. Before creating the surface model, you need to change the body type to sheet. That we have already done, right? So if you again, just let me show you here. Just go for the menu section from here, go for the preference and click on the modeling. The moment you are going to click here you can see that we have already done as a sheet modeling as a preference, right? Previously it will be mentioned as a solid modeling, but currently it will be having a sheet modeling, right? After that, just go for the sketch from here and click on OK for now, and here we are going to create a sketch. So the thing is like here in surface modeling we are having like a negligible thickness. So just let me make a simple or random model like this, and after that we are just going to create. Before that, let me first turn off this continuous auto dimensioning from here. Okay, and let's start this. So like this kind of a sketch we are going to create for now, and after that we are going to do things that what we are able to do. So click on that. Now we are going for the rapid dimension from here. Okay, and after that we are just going to define it. Click on that. Here it will be showing as a 69 for now. Make it as a 70. Press enter. Okay, click on close. Go for the rapid once again. We want to give this dimension, make them as a 45 for now. Press enter. Click on close. And here also we are just going to give them as a 30 only. Make them as a close for now. And here we are having the bigger one, that will be like 148 it will be showing. We are going to keep it as a 150 for now. Okay, and the last one which we are having is this part. Here you can see that where like it is of no requirement of that, because here you can see that like 45 plus 30 is already gonna given there, so we don't need to give, otherwise it will be showing as a over constraint. So just go for the Control Z from here, and here you can see that the sketch is fully constrained, right? After that, just go for finish sketch from here. See, we in solid modeling, what happens whenever we are going to use the extrude command here, the thing is we are getting some kind of a material in it, right? But here we are having in the surface section, right? And if we are just going for like extrude command from here, so just observe that no thickness is going to be observed there. So what I am having, like they are asking for the select curve, so just click on that. Here because it will be shown as a connected curve, that's why in connected curve I just selected one, and here in automatically it will be going to be selected as a whole, right? Let it come first, and here you will gonna see that how it will be going to show us. Go for the move, and the moment I'm just going to increase it here, right, it will be going to be work like this. Okay, so basically if you'll observe that here I'm having like a start value, well, like a symmetrical value if you want to go for like in both the directions. So I am going to increase in this direction, but here you can see the result in this side also. So here you can see that, right? After that we are having like up to next and all is not going to be mentioned here and not activated because we are not having any kind of a surfaces here. Okay, apart from this, here you can see that I'm having like a boolean operation. So here because it is like a surface, right, which is having no thickness, so the thing is you don't need like any kind of a unite and subtract command here. Okay, because subtract command is used where you are going to remove something material from it, but here you know that in surface there will be no material, and as a result there is no need of boolean operation. Apart from this, yes, you can use draft here. So for that purpose just go for the let's select from start limit. So the moment you are just going to click on this, here you can see the changes in the shape is going to be obtained there, right? The moment you are just going to increase this angle also, it will be going to be shown to you. Press enter, and here you can see that it will be showing us like this, right? After that you are having like a from section, so here you will gonna view like how it will be going to show us. Okay, here I am mentioned as a like a from section like asymmetric angle. So this is how it will be going to be view us, right? And from there like you can keep it as some back angle, so make them as a 40 for now, and here you will gonna see that it is just going to be completely restricted. If you want to go for the multiple also, so you can see that differences in between them, right? It's not like completely straight. Go for the zoom. If you will observe that here it's like a slightly like curved is going to be obtained there. See the distance here, that is the 2-degree angle, it will be shown there from 2-degree angle. Okay, apart from this, see here also you are having an option to make this surface into solid. So for that purpose just click on that and go for the solid, and here you will gonna see that it will be going to be acting as a complete solid object, that is fully like addition of material will be obtained here. But because we are working on the sheet, so we are just going to click on the sheet for now, and here you will gonna see like this. Just go for OK for now, and here you are having like this kind of a structure. Okay, I hope that this is clear to all.